Good morning guys! How are you? Wala na dito tayo ngayon sa road trip papuntang Milan, Italy from the house. So it will take us 10 hours drive direct without stopping. Of course, we stop for lunch, stop for pee, and then yes, straight to Milan, Italy. So we're going to stay 4 days in Italy, and then mag-a-attend tayo ng mga meeting sa loob ng 4 na araw, at gabi-gabi mayroon din mga party. So mayroon din party na host sa Italian government. Tapos every day they have a meeting, but we are not interested going on the daytime because it's all in business. And so during daytime, namamasyal kami sa pag-visit ng Milan, Italy City Center. So enjoy guys sa aming road trip ngayong for 3 weeks. So ito pa lang yung unang week natin dito sa Milan. 1 week tayo dito. So ngayon, ito yung ating cocktail party hosted by the Italian government. And then after cocktail party, we're going to watch the opera sa Teatro Scala. Isa sa pinakamalaking teatro sa Italy. So I hope mag-enjoy kayo guys sa aking over voice dito sa aming 5 days dito sa Milan, Italy. So watch out dahil kasi exciting ito, dahil after Milan, Italy, we are going to road trip to the next country. Gis at gis nyo. Ciao, ciao. Ayan naman, nag-speech ang mayor ng Milan, Italy. So we are watching now some opera music. Enjoy! So ayan guys, nag-start na yung kumakanta ng opera, at enjoy naman watching kaming mga colleague at saka friends. I hope mag-enjoy din kayo sa opera. So ayan guys, bawal ito, baka mag-copyright tayo, kaya ayan, nag-over voice na lang ako. Pasensya na guys. I hope you enjoy watching. So ayan guys, fully booked talaga itong Teatro Scala hanggang doon sa taas. May mga balcony sa taas. Pero mas maganda kami yung nandito sa baba, dahil kitang-kita mo yung mga sobra 50 na mga instrument na So ayan guys, mayroon na entr'acte, ano ba ang tawag doon, yung break. Tapos babalik ulit. So ang city center ay puno ng mga pulis, dahil ang mga delegates galing sa iba't ibang country at saka kami mga guest, may mga security naman at saka dinadaanan papunta ng mga party. punong-puno yung city center ng mga pulis dahil bawal dumaan ang mga sasakyan pagdaan ng aming mga buses kasi pinick up kami ng bus galing sa event center papunta doon sa Teatro Scala at sa cocktail party. So ayan, nag-enjoy kami guys. So during daytime, ayan, we visited the biggest cathedral in Milan, Italy. And then we go up to the rooftop with elevator, of course, and by foot going down. So yan guys, oh, ang ganda-ganda sa taas, grabe, sa rooftop yan. So nag-enjoy talaga ako at saka hindi ako makapaniwala na umakyat ako sa taas. A little history of Milan Cathedral. The construction of the Duomo of Milan began in 1386 and ended in 1965. It took place in the same location where the St. Ambrose Basilica was located since the 5th century, to which in the year 836 the Basilica of St. Thecla was added and destroyed by a fire in 1075. During the night of 15th to 16th August 1943, bomb rained down upon Milan. The cathedral was seriously damaged, particularly externally. Yan dyan during the World War II. Ayan, bisita din tayo sa loob ng cathedral. Ayan, sobrang ganda. Ayan, daming turista rin nag-visit sa loob. At siyempre, very famous yung cathedral nila dito sa Milan, Italy. We are now inside the cathedral. Wala, we're looking around at this beautiful arcade and window mirror, very colorful. Milan Cathedral, Duomo di Milano, yan. Or Metropolitan Cathedral Basilica of the Nativity of St. Mary, yan. Or is the Cathedral Church of Milan, Lombardy, Italy, dedicated to the Nativity of St. Mary. Yan pala yun. Ganda talaga ng 5th century ba ito? So voila, after mag-visit tayo sa Milan Cathedral, ayan, ikot tayo dito sa mag-tour tayo sa mall. Ayan yung mall, ang ganda ng entrance. Ayan. Tapos bibisita tayo sa kay Da Vinci Museum. Sana makapasok. So after mag-visit sa church the next day, nag-visit kami ng San Maurizio St. Mauricio Monastery. At doon makikita mo yung the oldest painting in the world. San Mauricio al Monastero Maggiore. The construction of this church took about 15 years and took place in the 16th century. The building was split into two parts, one for the nuns and one for the faithful. And it was not until the end of the 18th century that this strict barrier disappeared. The complex was founded in Lombard times, partially reusing ancient Roman edifice of this. There remain a polygonal tower, a relic of an ancient Maximian walls, and a square one, originally part of the lost hippodrome and later adopted as the church bell tower. The monastery is now home to Milan's Archaeological Museum. The Benedictine monastery is documented starting from the 18th and 9th century. The monastery and its church were initially dedicated to Mary. Mayroon pang Last Supper. Ayan, pinaka-lumang painting yata itong Last Supper, original. So wala guys, dito nagtatapos ang ating tour dito sa Milan, Italy. At saka mag-prepare na tayo ng next country na ating pupuntahan or next city kasi 3 weeks itong road trip namin papuntang Albania, Bosnia, Herzegovina. So abangan. Ciao, ciao. Thank you for watching.